vacuuming and mopping your floors manually is officially a thing of the past. Today's smart robot vacuums don't just pick up dust, they map your home with precision LiDAR, use AI cameras to dodge pet waste and cables, and return to all-in-one docking stations that automatically empty the dust, wash the mop pads with hot water, and dry them. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026. All the product links with updated pricing can be found in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Number 5. Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. Starting our list at number 5 is the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop designed for hands-free cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. Its biggest advantage is the NeverTouch Pro base, which can automatically empty debris, refill the robot's water tank, and wash and dry the mopping pad after each cleaning session. The dust bin is designed for up to 60 days of debris, while the water system can support up to 30 days of refilling. Shark's PowerDetect system uses multiple cleaning technologies to detect dirt, stains, edges, and different floor types. Dirt Detect increases vacuuming power in dirtier areas, while the robot can make extra mopping passes over stubborn stains. The Never Stuck technology helps the robot move across thresholds and obstacles, and it lifts the mop pad when traveling over carpet. Edge Detect also pushes debris away from walls and into the cleaning path. Pros: automatic dust emptying, auto water refill, mop washing and drying, dirt and stain detection, carpet safe mop lifting. Cons: large self-cleaning base, 120-minute listed battery life. Premium system may be more than basic users need. Overall, the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro offers excellent automation, smart floor detection, and low-maintenance vacuuming and mopping, making it our number 5 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 4. Eufy E25 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Coming in at number 4 is the Eufy E25, a powerful robot vacuum and mop designed for carpets, hard floors, tile, and homes with pets. It delivers up to 20,000 pascals of suction, helping remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard surfaces. The Hydrojet roller mop system continuously refreshes the mop with clean water, helping tackle tougher stains without spreading dirty water around the floor. The all-in-one station handles much of the maintenance automatically. It can empty the dustbin, refill clean water, wash the roller mop, and dry it with 50 degrees Celsius hot air. The 3-liter dust bag is rated for around 75 days of use. For pet owners, the Duo Spiral anti-tangle brushes help reduce wrapped hair, while the corner-over arm reaches closer to edges and furniture. Laser navigation supports up to 5 floor maps, and the robot provides about 125 minutes of runtime in standard vacuum and mop mode. Pros: powerful 20,000 pascal suction, Hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop, automatic emptying and water refilling, anti-tangle brushes for pet hair, laser navigation with multi-floor mapping. Cons: supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, large all-in-one docking station, 125-minute runtime may require recharging in very large homes. Overall, the Eufy E25 combines powerful suction, advanced roller mopping, and excellent hands-free maintenance, making it our number 4 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 3. ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro OMNI Robot Vacuum. Taking the number 3 spot is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro OMNI, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful carpet cleaning and automated whole-home maintenance. It delivers up to 16,600 pascals of suction with blast large airflow technology, helping pull dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets. The triple lift system independently raises the mop, side brush, and main brush to better adapt to different floor surfaces. For mopping, the OZMO roller continuously washes itself with fresh water while cleaning. This helps prevent dirty water from being spread across the floor. Zero Tangle 2.0 also helps reduce hair wrapping around the main brush. The included OMNI station automatically empties dust, refills water, washes the roller with hot water, and dries it after cleaning. ECOVACS claims up to 150 days of hands-free maintenance under suitable conditions. Navigation combines eufy 3D 3.0 and LiDAR, with recognition for more than 100 household objects. Control is available through the app, Alexa, Google Assistant, and YIKO-GPT. Pros: powerful 16,600 pascals suction, self-washing OZMO roller mop, Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-hair wrap system, automatic emptying, washing, drying, and refilling, eufy 3D and LiDAR navigation. Cons: large OMNI docking station, 65 dB listed noise level. Premium features may be excessive for smaller homes. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro OMNI combines powerful vacuuming, advanced roller mopping, and extensive hands-free maintenance, making it our number 3 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 2. Dreame X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Coming in at number 2 is the Dreame X50 Ultra, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful cleaning, pet hair pickup, and difficult areas around the home. It delivers up to 20,000 pascals Vormax suction, helping remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its HyperStream Duo Brush system is designed to reduce hair tangles, including longer strands. One of its standout features is the ProLeap system, which uses retractable robotic legs to cross thresholds and obstacles up to 2.36 inches. VersaLift navigation can also lower the robot to around 3.5 inches tall, helping it clean underneath lower furniture. For edges and corners, Side Reach and Mop Extend RoboSwing extend the brush and mop into areas that standard robot vacuums may miss. It also provides multiple carpet cleaning modes, including mop lifting or removal and increased suction. The all-in-one base handles much of the maintenance automatically, while 3D Adapt Obstacle Avoidance and AI-assisted navigation help it move safely around furniture and household objects. Pros: powerful 20,000 pascals suction, ProLeap threshold climbing system, anti-tangle dual brush, excellent edge and corner cleaning, advanced obstacle avoidance. Cons: supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Large all-in-one base station. Premium system may be excessive for small homes. Overall, the Dreame X50 Ultra combines exceptional obstacle handling, powerful suction, and advanced automated cleaning, making it our number 2 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 1. Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop. Taking the number 1 spot is the Roborock Saros 10R, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful suction, advanced navigation, and highly automated whole-home cleaning. It delivers up to 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction, helping remove dust, debris, and pet hair from hardwood, tile, and carpets. The Duo-Divide main brush and FlexiArm side brush are designed to reduce hair tangles and improve cleaning along walls and corners. Its ultra-thin 3.14-inch profile allows it to reach under beds, sofas, and cabinets. The Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 uses advanced 3D sensing and can recognize up to 108 obstacle types for more precise navigation. The AdaptiLift chassis helps the robot cross obstacles up to 4 cm high, while the spinning mops automatically lift when carpets are detected. The multifunction dock handles most maintenance automatically, including mop washing with 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying, water refilling, detergent dispensing, and up to 60 days of automatic dust collection. Pros: powerful 22,000 pascals suction, ultra-thin 3.14-inch design, advanced 3D obstacle detection, zero tangling brush system, fully automated multifunction dock. Cons: supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Large docking station. Premium feature set may be unnecessary for smaller homes. Overall, the Roborock Saros 10R combines outstanding suction, excellent obstacle handling, edge-to-edge cleaning, and advanced self-maintenance, making it our #1 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026.